Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I have this great tiny apartment tour for you guys, but I wanted to show you guys the unfurnished apartment first. So this is the bedroom. This is the only closet. It's a deep closet. It's actually very spacious. This is the living room. Hi to my realtor. This is the kitchen. This is the bathroom. Oh, I love that shower head. I love that shower.
And you said the common expenses are the Wi-Fi, electricity, and
cooking gas.
Cooking gas.
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
Oh my god! I wasn't expecting anyone. Come in.
I don't really care what they gotta say. Pull up on your body, I'ma make them go away. She just said that she just wants somebody. She just said that she just wants some love. She got tired of the lanes, now she f***ing with a G. You know she by my side cause she staying next to me. She only about her bread, only focused on the me.
Welcome to my tiny apartment in New York City. This apartment is approximately 650 feet.
Bruh.
I want to live near Central Park on the Upper East Side. And this is what I got.
A shoebox.
But I love it, I adore it. I remember being on YouTube and always looking at small apartment tours and saying I always wanted to see how I would be able to manage and fit in there. I have this beautiful white marble counter that I love. Beneath that I have a washer dryer, which is really convenient because the amount of clothes that I have is ridiculous. So having this actually is a huge upgrade. Love the stainless steel. I really love this kitchen, to be quite honest. I cook a lot, and then when it's time to eat, here we are. I got this off of Amazon with these two nice stools. I have my breakfast here, I have my dinner here. It actually leads me straight into the living room, which we'll see right in a second.
But not just yet.
This is like a jewelry box, but she's really nice. So let's get started. When I'm in the restroom getting ready for my day, I have my iPad here because I have a little speaker down here. I love to play music and blast it really loud in the shower and get ready. So this is really convenient. I got this little contraption from Home Depot. It was like $25. It's perfect. You could put phones down here, iPads, plug in stuff, and then let's get into the art. So I have naked men and men kissing and Barbie and butt. I love J-Lo and very eccentric. Over here I have my favorite, well, one of my favorite scents is the Tom Ford Ombre Leather. I love this candle. I believe I got this from Target. It's called Leather O, Ombre Leather, Leather O. See, we're doing something there. So now let's get to the sink.
Look how tall the sink is.
Look how tall. For someone that's 6 feet, this is an interesting size sink. Just bend over, it gets the job done. And now my favorite part, like literally, I was viewing so many apartments. I wanted something that was newly renovated. I was at a loss. I just felt like I wasn't gonna find an apartment in time when I was ready to move. Came into this bathroom, I saw the shower head, baby. And trust me, it could fit two. It's been done before. Start off with is here to my right. We have my desk, my workstation. I have this really nice crane that I got very long. I love the dramatic effect. Don't go up there because it's crooked.
Well, first of all,
Hold the pause.
Back up!
Do you see this couch? Hey girl, I got this from IKEA. She's very nice. Originally, it doesn't come in this color. I found a website that makes custom coverings, so I ordered this velvet. It took weeks to come, but the quality is impeccable. It's wash friendly. It just has the air dry. It's actually also a pull-out, so if anyone ever comes over, they're always welcome. And then I have my beautiful painting. It is a Tamatiti. It's a Gogon. It's Tamatiti. So I have my bar card. I stopped drinking. Now this serves very well for my friends when they come over, and for my router. Yeah, she goes well there too. It's really tacky because I got this colorful extension cord. Pay that no mind. You ever go to Target and something's like $30? You're like, girl, how much you want to get that? I had $30. Apparently. Am I gonna use these? No, I'm probably gonna post these, you know, let someone use better use of this for me. My brother gifted this to me. It's a Supreme skateboard and I love it.
Bam! If you don't know by now, I like gold.
This classy, modern aesthetic, accompanied it with some faux flowers, candle holder, nice tray, some balls, because I just love balls, you know? Big balls.
I do what I do cause I can do it, bitch. And when I'm doing what I do, you go do it, bitch. And if you knew how to do, you would do it, bitch. Cause I'm the do. I do what I do cause I can do it, bitch. And when I'm doing what I do,